Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane Williams and Paul Mason.
I'm here with Rebecca and Megan from Netstock. Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia.
Thank you.
So maybe tell us a little bit about what you're going on here to show.
Yeah, so we're Netstock. We are a forecasting solution, but not only forecasting, also inventory optimization. So the goal is that we're telling you what you need to order, not only based on what we think you're going to sell, but also taking into account how reliable are your suppliers, how accurately can you forecast, and how long it takes to get to you. We'll make sure you have the right amount of stock at all times in all your locations.
And so would you consider this to be an ERP or something that complements it?
So we would integrate with an ERP. We get all the information we need, and what we send back is recommended orders, if that's purchase order, work order, transfer order.
And what sort of size typical business would you normally be working with?
So the great thing about Netstock is that we can really work with businesses that are just starting up, one location up to we have very large scale retailers that we work with. So any business that has inventory, Netstock can assist, and we have multiple different solutions that can be suited to many different kinds of businesses as well.
And I think that's really important that, when you talk about multiple solutions, let's wind right back to what are some of the problems that you've seen customers are having when they're looking for a solution like yours?
Yeah, so the most common will be they're either holding too much stock that they can't clear because it's stock they don't need, or they are constantly running out of the stock that is moving really quickly. So it's being reactive without having the time to be proactive. So Netstock is taking all the background work out that people are usually using spreadsheets for, and then being able to focus their time on those key exceptions. Where do I keep stocking out? Where am I holding too much stock?
Yeah, so stock outs and overstock, obviously fairly typical problems, particularly for businesses that are growing and haven't quite got this under control. What's some of the successes that you've seen people achieve when they've implemented the solution?
It's almost always the reduction of risk in a team. So say we have someone who's been working at a business for 20 years, they have their spreadsheet, they know how to do everything. No one else is allowed to touch the spreadsheet because if they break it, everything is ruined. So being able to spread that across the team, we have a tool that everyone knows how to use and can get visibility, and then be able to move forward in the business as, staff changes over or there's changes in the business. We then have a lot less risk, and it's a lot easier to see what's happening.
The other one for us is helping businesses reduce the working capital. So some of our case studies have shown they've reduced $1 million of working capital, or $1 million of inventory as well, which obviously is one of the largest things on the balance sheet.
100%, and a massive risk for your business if you get that wrong, right? Yeah, absolutely. So what's next for Netstock?
We are investing a lot in AI at the moment. So right now it is a lot of analysis and giving you insights into things that you can change, but we are hoping to make that more actionable as we move forward. And we are always adding onto our roadmap in terms of things that we can see, things that we hear from customers that we need to improve on.
It's interesting coming back to the conversation we just had a second ago around spreadsheets, and there's always that one person who's the master and no one can touch it just in case it breaks. And that democratization of that process, and then I guess layering AI over the top of that, presumably that means that a whole bunch of de-risking happening across the business, right?
Yeah. Absolutely. That's the whole goal.
A big thing for us is we don't replace the person, so our AI provides recommendations, that person will then still have to action. So we'll still keep those people in, but we're just trying to utilise AI to kind of streamline their processes.
Absolutely. It's been fantastic having you on the show. Thanks for being on Manufacturing Tech Australia.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul, recorded on the traditional lands of the Bunurong and Wurundjeri people. For more information, jump on the manufacturingtech.au website. Remember to hit the follow button to join us again next time as we continue to explore the intersection of manufacturing and technology.